I can say in all certainty there is absolutely no better professional development on a subject level than being an examiner. My name is Charlene Quick-Lawrence and I am Head of Drama and Expressive Arts Coordinator at Ysgol Bro Preseli in Crymych. And at the WJEC, I am Principal Moderator for Unit 1 at AS, Team Leader at GCSE and an Examiner at Unit 2 AS. I absolutely love working with the WJEC. I love examining. I feel it's a real privilege to be able to go around schools, see the work that's being done, and to mark the work that these students have put so much effort into. Since I've been examining with the WJEC, I've got so many people to call upon now. You sort of make almost like a new little family of people who are like you, and it's really helped me to just have people more experienced than me to call upon. And also I've enjoyed being able to help new teachers that have called upon me for experience. With regards to my learners, undoubtedly having a teacher that is an examiner is an advantage, because you've got that sort of invaluable insight into how units are marked, papers are examined. So, from that point of view, it's definitely an advantage. The process of becoming an examiner is pretty straightforward, to be honest. You write a personal statement with your application outlining why you want to become an examiner, and then you get training for each unit that you decide that you want to examine. The training itself is a really positive experience. It's so supportive. If you've got a love for your subject, if you're good at timekeeping and you're looking for a little challenge that pays really well actually at the end of it, go for it.